Hello everyone, I'm in our warehouse now. You can see we have so many electric car in stock. This one is the electric pickup truck. This one is the electric SUV. This one is electric car. You can see can sit more people. When you go to school, take your children or go to the market, drive this, don't have any problem. This one, you can see, is a two-door electric car. It looks very cute. So, if you want to buy the cheap electric car, please contact with us. We will offer you the good price. Thank you.